Welcome. In this video, I'm going to draw a cycloid of the rolling circle on a flat surface for one complete revolution, and also I'll draw a tangent and normal to that cycloid. Let's start. The first thing, draw the circle with a radius of 20. Subdivide the circle into 12 parts. So, and then the next thing, draw this path where the circle is going to roll over. To that distance, find the circumference of the circle, which is given as pi d. So in this case, my circumference was 125.6, but rounded off to a whole number, which is 126. Subdivide this path into 12 points. If you don't know how to subdivide, kindly check on the video that I did on the subdivision of a line to any parts, equal parts. So once we get here, let's draw vertical lines. You're doing vertical lines at each of these points. So from each of the points on our circle, let's again draw horizontal lines. So I can trim the unrequired points. Now let's name all the centers from the center line, starting from center 0, C1, all the way to center 12. So next thing, what we're going to draw, we're going to draw circles from each center with the same radius as the main circle, which is 20. the radius is 20. So from each center, for example center 1, draw a circle at center 1 and note where this circle is intersecting with our projector, with our horizontal projector. Mark that point. So you do the same up to circle 12. So center 2, draw a circle. This circle intersects with center 2 with line from point 2 at that point, so you mark. Move to center 3. So you do the same. Finally, circle 12, it meets the line 0, 12 at that point. The next point, now join all the points using a curve. So you start from 0 here, join all the lines using curve. Up to that level, we've drawn the cycloid as per the question. So the next thing, let's draw the normal to this curve. So at any point. So for me, I want to draw it at this point. So I will mark at this point. This way I want to draw it. So what I will do next, take your compass using this as the center and the radius of 20 as the main circle. So this point, first let's go that point M. So let's go that point M. Now using M as the center and our radius of 20, so M as the center, radius of 20. So what we do, we mark a point on the center line. So marked there. Mark that point. So this point here, let's call it point. Let's call it point N. Now join that point N draw a perpendicular line from point N to the baseline. So our baseline, and at the same time project that the line from the baseline to point M. So this point where it's meeting the baseline, let's call it N prime. N dash. Now this line N dash M, we can extend that line, make it a bit longer. So this line is what we call now, this is the normal line, call it the normal. That's the normal. As we all know, 90 degrees is the tangent is a line that meets the circle at only one point. So using this point M, you can now measure 90 degrees. So we draw a line at this point, 90 degrees. So our line here, you can call it line T, and this one we call it T dash. So this one we can call it T dash. So line T dash is the required tangent. So up to that level, we have the cycloid, we have the normal, and we have the tangent T dash. Thank you and see you in the next video.